Be motivated, knowing fully well that there is no condition you are now. Ị ga-asị na ya enwere onye nọgoro na that condition. O nwere condition ị ga-anọ now si na nwebere onye nọ na ya. Helpers will come when they felt that inner joy from you. Let me tell you, there is one day I was like doing my normal meditation, midnight meditation, and the message came that I should go and help so person. Yes. And I believe that for my forces to ask me to go and help so person in the condition, the person must have done something nice to support my administration, either by prayers or in one way or the other. That is why my forces fell in love with the person and felt that the person needed to be assisted. Do you know that if you have good longing, good intention, good wishes for somebody, do you know there is the spirit, the both spirits, their spirits, that they are good spirits, and the spirit of the person in question have a way of passing the message, do you know? Yes. You know that there is a way that his spirit will be telling him that this person has good intention for him. You should go and help him when the person needed help most. So what I'm telling you is this: stop unnecessary comparison. They have destroyed baby, have destroyed children, they have destroyed friends, have destroyed marriages, have destroyed partnerships. It's not necessary. If you must compare, let that comparison be a motivational one. The one that will help you to work harder in order to meet up to whoever your mentor is. On earth here, I still have called ones, the ancient ones and the living, that I'm looking up to. I know they have achieved so many things while they are still on earth. And me being on earth now, I want to surpass whatever they have achieved during their earth life. Let me stop here. If you have any question on this lecture, I want us to do deep consultation for you, chat me on WhatsApp 0805 7837672 or 0813 8243 871. Let us pray. Ekwem ekwere m na Chineke, ekwere m na ọ dị ihe siri m ike nke Chineke na-apụghị izi m ụzọ m ga-esi luwo ya, n'ihi na ọ mazuru ihe niile. Obi m siri ike na Chineke emeworo m ya. Ya gasị, may the blessings of Chukwuoke Premier be with you all. May you be protected, may you be blessed now and forevermore. Ya gasị.